Hello everyone, welcome back to another video on AUTOCAD. In this class, we are going to discuss raw toolbar, modified toolbar. First of all, we will see the various functional keys required during modeling of a part. Please take a note of that. F3, F3 functional key is used for object snap on and off. F7 is used for grid on and off. F8 ortho on and off. F12 dynamic UCS on and off. Okay, so we'll discuss where these functional keys. You can hear this is the entire screen of AutoCAD. The right corner, if you observe, you will find three lines. We are calling it as customization. Customization. Click on that one. Click on that one. You can see various tools that are available to you. Model space, grid. These tools will be displayed on the status bar. To improve the workspace, we'll untick the unwanted tools. See, model space, grid. I am unticking all those things, and you can observe on the status bar you are hiding. These toolbars are hiding. So, as per our requirement, we will place the tools what we desire. So, initially, what we have to keep is grid, ortho mode, 2D object snap, line weight, dynamic UCS, workspace switching. I will say what is this purpose? Workspace switching. Let's see. These are the basic toggles which we have to keep on the status. Okay, so we'll discuss one by one. What is this draw toolbar modified tool? For the convenience, I am keeping this view toolbar, and I am closing this dimension toolbar. I am closing this properties toolbar. When the requirement comes, we know how to get it back. Okay, draw toolbar modified. Draw toolbar have the commands line, construction line, polyline, polygon, rectangle, arc, circle, division cloud, spline, ellipse, and so on. Okay. Draw a line, there are so many methods that are available. Remember one thing, when you select this line command, the command line automatically throws a query what the line requirement is all about. That is readily there in the software. See, if I am clicking on this line, what it is asking, line specify first object. We have clicked on that first object, first point, and it is asking about specify the next point. So just to show the direction. And when you want to draw horizontal and vertical lines, make sure that ortho is on. Ortho means it will move only in the horizontal and vertical. There is no inclination. That is 0, 90 degrees, 270, 180, and 0. Okay, it won't move vertical. So show the direction and give the value. I am giving 100. Escape. So this is the 100 line. For suppose if I want to draw a vertical line of 100, just click on the point, show the direction, in which direction you want 100. Show the direction 1000 and show the direction which I am closing that by using simple line command. This is the purpose of line. Whereas construction line, what is this construction line is all about? Construction line is a infinite line, either horizontal direction or vertical direction. Horizontal direction or vertical direction. Where you keep, it will show the R of infinite. If If you switch off the ortho mode, then this inclined line, this construction line will move in the other direction. See, when the ortho is off, then what can you can observe? You can observe this line can be moved in either any direction. Series of array lines. Okay, this is the polyline purpose. For my convenience, I am deleting the commands what we use in MS Office and in AutoCAD remains the same. That is, if I want to select the entire document, Control A. If I want to copy certain command, Control C. If I want to paste certain thing, Control V. If I want to cut, Control X. So these tools are remains the same. The commands what we have. So next one, third one is the polyline. I am clicking on that polyline. Specify the polyline. So which direction you want? Make sure that ortho is on right. Just show the direction. Difference between ordinary line and a polyline is a continuous. If I select this one, continuous line, and what happens because of that polyline is if I want to draw if I want to draw this is the ordinary line, and if I want to draw this line, if any mistake occurs, I will have to delete entire sketch because it is continuous. So this is the main difference to save the time for certain modeling. We use the polygon. Next one is the polygon. So I am clicking on that polygon. What it is asking, specify corner point or corner. See, specify the number of sides. How many sides you want? For suppose I want 6 sides. 6. So click on that center polygon. It is asking. It will ask me about the circumscribed circle or inscribed circle. Give the method and you will get the radius. Depending upon the radius, if it is a 30 radius, you will get the polygon, horizontal or vertical. Sir, if we want the vertical polygon, enter. Just click on modify that. Change the direction of 30. Okay, next one, rectangle. Rectangle, you can observe in the command line. In the square brackets, we have 3 commands: area, dimensions, rotation. Area means if you know the area and any other length. For suppose the area of a so rectangle is 200 mm square. 200 mm square. Then after modification, if I know any of the length or width, I am able to produce the rectangle. I am giving the area. Area is 200 mm square, and the length is 20. Length is 20. Then system automatically calculates the width as 10. 200 by 20 is 10. So like that, rectangle will be displayed. Arc. The difference between arc and a circle is arc is a open profile. Even the included angle is 359.9999. It is a open curve only. So arc, we have so many options. For suppose if I want to draw a arc here, like a dome on the hut. So in the menu bar, go to draw arc. You can find so many options. 3-point arc. If I click on first point, second point, third point. 3 arcs. Similarly, draw arc start, center, end. Start, center, end. See, this is my start point. This is my center point, this is my end point. Oh, if it is, why it is reverse? The selection of the start and end point matters. So I am deleting that one. Draw arc start center end. This is my start point, this is my center point, and this is my end point. Here we go. Without knowing this line length also we are able to produce. For this it is a useful command. Next one, circle. Circle, what is the input? Circle input is radius or diameter. So it is asking about the center point and it is asked about the radius. Be careful when you are giving the radius or diameter. Many of the students, what they will do is, if in the sketch or it is given as 50 diameter, they will quickly place the 50. You have to convert it to radius 25. Or otherwise you have to click on the diameter. How? Draw circle center diameter. Center diameter means if I click the center diameter 50, it will give the 50 diameter. So like this way you are able to draw this. Okay, and remaining tools we will discuss. I am going into the modify toolbar in the next video. Thank you.